Troy University's Office of Civic Engagement has begun a new project in honor of Dr. Martin Luther King at Troy Elementary School.
So we're here today for the Martin Luther King Jr. Service Day project, and so what we're doing out here is leveling out some dirt right behind me to make an outdoor classroom.
The Office of Civic Engagement serves the Troy community in some form every year for Martin Luther King Day, and the coordinator of the Office of Civic Engagement says that this is a long time coming for Troy Elementary School.
Troy Elementary School has been wanting this for a long time, but really not the money or the time to do it. And we have a grant from the Youth Service America Foundation, which is a federal organization, and we were granted $1,500 to start this project.
As you can see behind me, the volunteers are very hard at work, and according to one volunteer, all the hard work and sweat that will go into this will be worth it in the end.
You know, there's so much more than worrying about, grades or a job. Just to really care for something outside of yourself really benefits you. Just doing a little bit of manual labor for somebody that can't pay you back at all. I think the moral reward outweighs any sweat equity we put into it.
The Office of Civic Engagement hopes to have both outdoor classrooms completed by the Youth Day of Service in April. Seth Hawk, Troy, TrojanVision News.